Earn PayPal money with these brand new apps that I'll show you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and pay you by just giving your opinion. If you're interested, just make sure to keep watching until the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so we are going to get you notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, give a comment down below, and also don't forget to share it with your friends too. Without any further ado, we are going to start with today's video so I can show you all of the sources that I'm going to mention today, and of course there are going to be multiple ones, so just stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first source that I'm going to share with you today is going to be this one here called Surveytime. This is over at surveytime.io. You can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. Just sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, or you can even just do this manually with your email address. You can put your email address over here, put a password, and then click on the Start Now button once you agree to their terms of service as well. You're going to notice that your surveys will be sent to this email that you're going to use to sign up. And as you can see, they have like 4.5 stars on Trustpilot as well. You can even check it out more, and you can just see all of the payment methods that they offer, from Amazon gift cards, also Target gift cards, PayPal money, as well as a Bitcoin through Coinbase. So let's see how it works. So first of all, you're going to sign up for absolutely free. Then you're going to just take a short introductory survey so you can tell them more about yourself. Just start earning cash then by just completing surveys. Every time you complete a survey, you're going to get $1. So you're going to notice that they offer no withdrawal threshold whenever you complete one survey. Even if it's like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you're going to get paid $1. Surveytime is worldwide available, so anyone can just join for absolutely free anywhere in the world. You can choose your reward from the payment methods that we mentioned even before. You can never miss out on new surveys since they notify you whenever a new relevant survey is up, so you're going to get notified, and this is awesome. You don't need to just open up the app again and again. You're going to notice that they offer you surveys just for you. They match your interest, because that's why they give you like that introductory survey at the beginning, so they can know more about you and send you the surveys based on your interest. So by scrolling down, you're going to notice that they offer an affiliate program as well. If you click on it, it's going to take you over to this page where you can just apply to their ambassador program, as they call it. So you can just promote Surveytime, and you're going to get paid again and again whenever you bring new members to this platform. And don't forget to just mention all of the best features that Surveytime offers. You just need to put an email address, a full name, your Skype username, and click on continue. So with that said, this was it for the first platform. I'm going to proceed to the second one, which is called Ysense, and it's over at ysense.com. With this platform, you can earn extra cash online, as you can see, and the most important thing to do over here is to complete paid online surveys. You can see that beside giving your opinion about different products and services, you can even do cash offers, so you can get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. And they do offer a referral program, so you can get paid in passive income by just referring new members to this platform, and you're going to earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. You can sign up for absolutely free. You can just put your email address over here, a password, and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and click on the join now button. You're also going to notice that Ysense offer an app on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can even download it on your smartphone device or your Android or even iOS device. It can be your smartphone or even your tablet. So this is an awesome part actually, because if you don't want to use the desktop version, you can use it from your phone too. So I'm going to proceed right away to the third platform, which is called Swagbucks, and it's over at swagbucks.com. You're going to put cash back in your wallet, and you can even earn some gift cards as well. You can join for free by putting your email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on the sign up now button, or you can even sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, because it is a lot faster and easier. This platform has been seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, Penny Harder, ABC, and the Huffington Post, which shows that it has a lot of potential, and it it is a legit one, and you can see that you can earn points by just shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, which is our main focus today, but of course you can do all of these other things as well to get paid the most money. You can redeem then your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, but even get cash back from PayPal. So even this one pays you in PayPal money, and they have paid to their members more than $700 million, and they pay every day like several thousands of free gift cards. They have 4.3 stars out of more than 28,000 of reviews here on Trustpilot. You can even check them out by yourself. So with that said, let me proceed to the fourth platform for today, which is called Price Rebel. This is over at pricerebel.com. You can take surveys, earn points, and get PayPal cash, but also some other gift cards as well from Amazon, Walmart, and so on. So they offer you more than 100 of rewards. So just sign up for absolutely free with your Google account, Facebook account, but of course you can do this manually as well by putting your first name, last name, email address, choose a password, and click on the sign up now button. By scrolling down, you're going to see how it works. So once you sign up for free, you're going to earn some points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers. So you're not going to get bored by just completing this survey since they are very short, and you're going to redeem your points for PayPal cash and hundreds of free gift cards. So as we mentioned before, they have easy opinion surveys. You can get hundreds of instant rewards. Your data is going to be saved, and you're going to get paid instantly through PayPal. Once you reach $5 in your account, you can just request your payment. So with that said, you can even check out some other features as well over here at pricerebel.com, but I want to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called Lifepoints. This is over at lifepointspanel.com, and they also offer an app on Google Play Store, as you can see, with more than 500,000 of downloads and 4.4 stars, and also on App Store with 4.4 stars and 1.6 thousands of ratings. So you can use the app on your smartphone device, or just click on the join up button here on their website if you want to use the desktop version from your computer. So it's very easy to earn. You're going to just sign up first so you can join their community, and you can notice that they've paid more than $22 million to their members in the last year alone. Also, you're going to just complete then some surveys and get paid for sharing your feedback. You're going to share your feedback on products and also the brands that you know about, and you're going to get rewarded in some points that you can redeem for gift cards, PayPal, and much more. You can even check out the reviews from Trustpilot with 4.3 stars out of more than 24,000 of reviews, and so on. So I want to mention that all of this platform pays you in PayPal money, so you can just use all of them and see your balance growing again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.